Executive Chairman Egor Local Government Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia don hold one meeting with ANNEWATT, wey be the umbrella body of Tricycle and Motorcycle Union Association, aka Keke Napep and Okada Riders Union Egor branch. Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia come talk say the reason she hold the meeting with them na to solicit for their support to vote for PDP gubernatorial candidates Asue Ighodalo and Osaradio Oge for the forthcoming election, and come list all the ogbonge things wey Governor Baseki don do for the state, and say if they want make it continue, make them vote for only Asue Ighodalo, as na him go fit continue the better work wey Obaseki don do. She come present over 1,000 stickers and customized caps wey carry Asue and Oge picture to them, make them put for their Keke Napep.
I come back now, say abeg, election don come, and I know wetin una don dey do for me for my own election. 2 times when I don come, I know how I dey mobilize. Now when they ask me for anything, I know that because of the love wey una get for me. I be not be so. When I go fit take this seat as chairman of the local government, make I finish my tenure, make I fulfill do everything when I dey plan to do now for my party to win. I be not be so. I go help me do one. I go help me do one. I want very good. I want beg now. I don't want to have this anti-blocking game. If you know you are not with us, don't pretend to be with us. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. But I will tell you that it's the government of the day. Yeah. There's nothing that will stop us when we don't win the election. So, if you wait to support another person, you waste that vote. Yes. Because you go sit down for house one day, your conscience will judge you. Say that I know I for vote for these people because nothing wey go make us not win this election. We don't win am. I don't talk am. Na to prove an element o. I don't be so. Na to prove an element. So who we talk so we wan vote for? And Osaradio. See am. The man wey sabi. The man wey sabi. See before you go start foundation, you go first of all put something for ground where the one will make the house break. I will not be so. If you put block like that and you don't go put one small storm come, it will shake am. I will not be so. Those ones where they come, they never get foundation. But we don't get foundation. I will not be so. PDP don't lay foundation down. Obaseki don't lay foundation down. The foundation where my papa Samuel Eghe Ogbemudia lay na to go finish wetin Obaseki no fit finish. Because one government no fit do am. I mean na that. One government no fit do am. One thing for this life wey I believe is say what will we be remembered for? That be the name wey we dey carry comot. Everything for this life, all na vanity. Because today, I dey shakara for Edo State, I dey do wetin I like for Egor because say my papa do well. If my papa not do well, she go let me come out. No. All the park chairmen, I dey beg una, talk to your people. You understand? Talk to them. You understand you understand them. Talk to them. Let them promote our party for continuation. Because now when we continue, then we will fit finish wetin we dey do. Now the same thing wey some Oge, but the difference here is say Egor that one where people dey wear na the same thing, because I know say this one fit not reach everybody hand, but our own get Egor. So at anywhere where you wear and go, people will not say na Egor local government na it come from, because you are proud of your local government. And I want to beg motorcycle riders, their chairmen wey dey here. So many things dey go wrong for una park. Make una try, make una stop am. Make all of us work as one. Keke, motorcycle are the same thing under ANNEWATT. May we remain under ANNEWATT. any keke park, when I motorcycle park, when I know say one day under Annawatt, they do their own, they will go from the local government. Yes. There's already a foundation, and that foundation is Annawatt. Yeah. Make all of now everybody wake up and say make everybody work together. Now what did they agree to do? So one person not come say he gets his own park, say that he come be the own lord for one park. As I hear information they reach me say some park for Ewotubu, some park for Ward 1 for Eghe Ogbemudia. Then they do they do their own park. They don't jump down Annawatt. I don't say they go see me for television when this thing will go on and radio. If you are not under Annawatt, please, there is no private park. We must all work together as family.
ANNEWATT coordinator Egor branch Monday Odigye can't give him assurance on behalf of him and the executive say them don't endorse Asue Ighodalo and Osaradio Oge and they go support them.
Before now, we know the challenges we see our bike and keke they face for the state before Govunor will have to battle the bomb. Before now, most of our keke don't get the side view. The same thing with bike. I will only put a good thing for the bike before you know the first time we remove the side view. But now, I can be able to tell you since this 300 and 150 when you say don't say government come make everything very easy for everybody, our people they live in peace. Because of that, we are ready to support Asue Ighodalo.
For talk with Tori people, Egor Chairman Eghe Ogbemudia and coordinator of the ANNEWATT Egor branch Monday Odigye can't talk say
we welcome the ANNEWATT, the executive of ANNEWATT in Egor local government, which is the keke nape and motorbikes. You know, we came to solicit for their support for the next coming election, and we gave them some of our souvenirs to start campaigning with. So I want to thank God for his successful meeting today.
We are here today for Asue Ighodalo campaign. So we come and meet the executive chairman of Egor local government, and he invited us. We are with him, and we come to let him know that we are in support of Asue Ighodalo campaign, and we will give him 100% sure that we will back him up. We have been doing it before, and we will do it again. And our people for the local government, they have been enjoying the Govunor administration. I think we will continue to enjoy it as, by the special grace of God, as Asue Ighodalo come back as a governor.
Make una no forget say, as we see him, na so they talk him, we know they take blame. From a local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.